Hi everybody, bonjour tout le monde. So quickly, this is going to be one of my fall design. I'll show it to you. It says thank you, thankful. Sorry, the camera is the other way around. It says thankful. Um, so I am going to be putting this fall design in on this crop fleece hoodie. It's a hoodie there in this color. So this army green color, as well as on this salmon color. So now I feel like it's going to look really well, the colors against this color. I really just love it. So that's what I'm working on. I've already set up the design on the green, the army green that I'm wearing. My stomach, well, it gave 3 kids, so here it is. So I'll turn around and show you the design and you'll see what I'm working on right now. So this is the design in the back. It says thankful, like I mentioned. I'll show that. This is it. And then here, of course, because you know who I am, be intentional. So I put a little be intentional here as a reminder of to be intentional always, right? So be intentional, be thankful and such. So this is it. It's crop. My belly button is right here. So let's see if I were to show you without bringing my pencil skirt all the way up. This is sort of the length of the crop. So it's not too crop, but it is crop. I really love it. Look at it. It's perfect. It's amazing. So I'm gonna be doing the salmon one because I'm getting ready to take photos of the product. Again, launch date is September 3rd, so I haven't taken any pictures yet, but I'm getting ready to do that. I just wanted to, I'm gonna be getting my hair cut this Saturday, so I'm just waiting to get my hair cut in order to do that because obviously I'm going to be modeling the clothes myself. So I want to get my hair cut so I look decent and be able to do it, you know, take the photos. So I will turn around and do this. Oh, 2 things. So if you haven't seen this video yet, the print, the heat transfers are from Wild and Gorgeous. And then this is a pressing instruction. So it tells me for clear film. This is a clear film. Temperature is between 305 to 325 F. Pressure is heavy. Time is 10 seconds, and it's a hot peel. So I have my instruction. I've already set up my machine to 325 for 10 seconds. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set this up and do that. So I won't be talking when I do it, just because I'm probably going to be mumbling and saying a bunch of stuff to myself and then getting all, you know, but I'm still nervous. This is the first print that I did, so I'm going to go do the second one and then you're just going to watch and see me do it. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Guys, so here is the final product. This is how it's looking like. Isn't this beautiful? Like this color against the salmon color.